Hey, what's up, folks? So this is gonna be a super quick video. What I'm gonna do is just show you what's inside of a legacy box when you receive it. So I am gonna be processing a legacy box coming up. I did do a video on 5 different ways to save money with legacy box. Excuse me. So right now it's just gonna be an unboxing. I'm gonna show you what's inside the box when you get it, and trust me, it's not much. Check this out. Alright guys, so like I said, it's not much, but here's what we got. So after you pay your legacy box, you'll get one of these in the mail after a couple days. And like I said, it's really not much. You're gonna get this box, alright? And again, I paid for a 2-item package, and I got this big, huge box. So you open this guy up, and you have your legacy box on the inside. You pull this guy out of here. I have to watch out with my finger because I almost sliced it off just yesterday with a Coke can. Here's your legacy box. Again, it's way bigger than what you need for only 2 tapes. So, you know, they are sending you a bigger box for any additional tapes that you might have. Once you open this up, you have this welcome document that just walks you through the whole process, gives you a little bit of the story of the company, and it gives you some directions, and it's just an informational booklet that comes with the package. After that, you get this booklet that includes some coupons. I might just blur other stuff out because this would be my personal information, but you know, it gives you a couple coupons. So right now what I'm seeing is there's 2 stamps for the items that I already paid for, and then there's a whole bunch more for any additional upgrades that I might want to make. And here's the information to send the package back. So that's pretty much it, guys. There's no packing material in here or anything like that. So that's it. I'm guessing when I send this back, I'll get some like newspaper or I don't know, just different materials. But just make sure when you send your stuff back, you secure it somehow, so it's not jumping around and getting beat up and stuff inside the box. Because again, this is a pretty big box. So that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for today. If you have any questions, please ask me questions in the comment box. Please rate the video, like, and subscribe, and check out our family videos. Thanks for watching.